Core, the central part of optical fiber which has relatively high refractive index, of high density. Critical angle, the angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction is 90 degrees. Conservative field, the field in which work done along a closed path is zero. CROA device used to display input signal into waveform. Center of mass, the point at which all the mass of the body is assumed to be concentrated. Centripetal force, the force needed to move a body around a circular path. Crest, the portion of a wave above the mean level. Cladding, a layer of lower refractive index, of less density, over the central core of high refractive index, of high density. Constructive interference, when two waves meet each other in the same phase. Compression, the region of maximum density of a wave.